Hey guys, so today is August 21 and we have no classes today. Wala kaming klase. But right now it is around 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. and I'm preparing for my shoot for tomorrow. Sorry for the mess guys. Sorry for the mess kasi bedtime na rin eh. So yung bed is inaayos ko na for bedtime. So, I'm gonna show you guys my accessories for tomorrow's shoot. Okay, so these are my accessories for the whole shoot. This one is borrowed to, and then I got my earrings here. Just in case earrings, I got pearl. I got silver big hoops and then rose gold. I have rings and necklaces dyan. And then for the Y2K, ito yung mga tali, mga clips. I actually practiced earlier. Kakatapos ko lang. And then I took it off. I forgot to film it. Kasi ngayon ko siya naisipan. But this is my accessories. Never mind this. This is my fit for Y2K. Uniform ko, hindi pa siya ready, but it will be. Okay, I have 3 fits na shoot na gagawin tomorrow. First is the school uniform. Second is the basic white t-shirt and denim pants, and then the third fit is the Y2K Filipino style, which is the 90s. And I'm gonna show you guys my accessories because I'm super excited. I'm just super excited sa accessories ko, which I will show you guys. So I'm really excited for tomorrow kasi I really like photo shoots, but I never got to experience the studio type of photo shoot, you know? Kasi prepared na siya ng club, which is what I like. I'll have to wake up early tomorrow just for me to, you know, get ready, blow dry my hair and stuff. Yeah, and actually, I'm gonna put hair mask sa hair ko. Ibababad ko siya. I really have to wake up early. Para lang dun. I'm kinda nervous, but not really that nervous because I'm really excited. Nangingibag pa yung excitement ko sa kaba. My makeup, I'll just show it to you guys tomorrow because nag-makeup test ako for the Y2K and medyo approved naman siya. The lippy, hindi nila bet, but yeah, I'm willing to change. You know, sorry, hindi nakatutok sa aking camera. Hindi na ako sanay, pero yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hindi ata pantay, te. Tingnan mo, pantay ba? Pantay.
Yung sa akin, okay lang ba kapag ano?
Oo, okay yan.
Should I put ano?
Put another strand here. O ba ano?
Ay, kaya ba? Ikaw mo. Ikaw
Ay,
talaga.
pantay. Ano ba? Ito, ilas mo to. Hindi pantay bangs mo.
Alam ko, mataas dito, di ba?
Hindi, dito.
Hindi. Ito is yung old bank ko to. Oo nga, pero ito ang ikli na ito, oh.
Pantay. Pantay ba? Pantay na? Ryan. Kian.
Hindi kaya ang buhok ko.
third set. We're done. Hello, guys. Hi. Dito. Wala pa.
Sabay tayo, sabay.
Ayun, dun tayo.